ito at history po ito ng ating bansa, ng ating lahi. Kaya nararapat naman po na panoorin natin at malaman natin yung storya naman ng side ng ating mga hero na sundalo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Martin. Now, and that's what we'd like to say to everybody here in Quezon City, Martin.
Good evening sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. Please support me. Training. Mag-start na po yan. Sana tulungan niyo po ako mag-promote, spread yung aming movies sa mga kaibigan, friends, and family. And kung pwede po, pakipost na sa social media and vloggers. Thank you.
Now, with that, for the other soul, ang naman character ay si Colonel Bacala. Tama ba? And they've actually done an amazing job in portraying the character. But we have here with us this afternoon, kasama po natin ang totoong Colonel Bacala. Colonel, so to see you here. Palakpakan po natin ang tunay na bayani ng Pilipinas, miyembro ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, Colonel Andrew Bacala. Thank you, sir, for being here this afternoon. Now, Martin, I'm just going back to the artists that we have here, Martin and Ines. What can you say about the roles that you've played here? I know it's super different from all the roles that you guys have played in your previous films, previous series. Ano iba ang ginanapan mo character dito sa Italy?
Ang character na ginapan ko rito ay si Isnilon Hapilon. Sumikat siya nitong maraming scenes. Pero nung panahon na to, isa pa lang siya sa technical side na kagagawa ng bomba. Oo. Yun yung katotohanan eh. IEDs, etc. Yun yung specialty ng character ko. At masasabi ko lang na brutal ito. Medyo may pagka-brutal itong pelikula dahil hamon sa totoong pangyayari, totoong buhay. At para makita natin na mamulan naman tayo ng mga civilian, yung mga hindi nakakaranas ng gulo. Kung ano yung binubuhis ng ating mga militar, yung kanilang buhay, pinagpapalit nila para sa kalayaan ng Pilipinas. Yun yung pinakamagandang message ko.
Well, thank you for taking on the role. Like last year, you played the role of Colonel Bacala, true life, and a real-life hero. Sir Mon and Noble, hi! Can you join us here for the red carpet event and interview of the night? Hi, would you like to greet everybody here at tonight's event? Hello! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat at nandito kayo sa premiere night ng In Thy Name. Ito po ang aming pelikula na i-showing bukas sa lahat po ng cinemas.
Okay, sana sa inyo po yung mga kapatid, kapamilya, kapatid, at kung ano mga kapuso, A to Z sa aming pelikula. Ako si Ay Fernandez, lumagat din si Tisha Teresa, isa sa mga survivors ng kidnapping.
And ako po dito si Dong, kapatid po ni Makoy. And special change po dito. Maraming salamat po sa support at salamat din po. Bukas po, patalayin.
Yes, again, maraming salamat po. Magkita-kita tayo sa maraming pang screenings at syempre sa theatrical release ng In Thy Name.
We're so excited for this film, Sir Mon, Miss Aya, and both. I know, Sir Mon, you watched the film numerous times, pero do you still feel like you're very much involved? Grabe pa rin ba yung rush of emotion sa'yo? Kung nakakanood mo yung sarili mo playing one of the major roles here in this film, one of the most important roles in making the journey of Father Roel Gallardo truly a journey to Cebu.
Yes, ako'y gumaganap dito ng Abu Sabaya, isang terorista na nagasik ng lagim dito sa pelikulang to. And yes, syempre, excited pa rin ako kahit na twice ko na siyang napanood. Aabangan ko mamaya yung mga magagandang eksena ni Miss Aya Fernandez.
Ayan naman, before ako lumako sa napakagandang Bisaya, Role, you've mentioned that you're playing a special child role here, especially kapatid siya ni Father Roel Gallardo. How challenging was the role or how fulfilling was the role for you?
Challenging siya, pero kinalan ko siya. Pinanawalan ko yung direct kung paano yung fellow Dong. Yun, tinawag ko rin salamat at kahit paano na yung mga ito yun po, ako na po.
How about you, Miss Aya?
for everyone who's here and everyone who's gonna support him. I'm excited kasi nandito yung family and friends who will support him also. Our friends from the military, our friends from CDCB are also here, and our fellow sisters, mga family, so we're all going right now kasi for the past 2 days, pinupan natin yung Visayas and Mindanao, but now in Luzon, I think there's so much pressure and there's so much criticism.
Well, I hope it's a great criticism. And speaking of pressure, you've played a very big role here. A real life terrorist, a real life extremist. Of course, Gaddafi Janjalani. How challenging was the role for you? Although we know that you delivered, I watched it a couple of times. You really played the role well, but was it really hard to play that role?
For the people who supported me throughout my career, I think this is going to be the first time they will see me portray a character like this. A kontrabida with so much freedom and so much madness. It is hard. So I hope I'll surprise everyone with my character today. And I hope after this film, it will, open a lot of opportunities for me to kontrabida roles.
Well, it's the JC Rivera antagonist era. Well, we're looking forward to that. Playing very beautifully at grabe ang portrayal of the character. Truly a magnificent actor. Palakpakan po natin once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. JC Rivera!
Thank you so much.
Sir JC, would love to see your fit on the red carpet, so please we'll invite you for a photo of her today. Thank you very much. Once again, Mr. JC Rivera, everyone, palakpakan po natin. Wow, we are joined by the artists of Philippine cinema. We are truly joined by now one of the greatest actors of Philippine entertainment industry. Palakpakan po natin once again, Mr. Makoy Belayon!
Sana tulungan niyo po kami lahat ng video na to. Sana magustuhan niyo, sana magustuhan sa akin, sa mga di ba worth it to para sa inyo. Love you! Salamat po! Meron ka lang po ito.
So many thanks for tonight, Mr. Makoy. Now, I only have one question for you. What made you say yes to playing the role of Father Roel Bernardo?
Isa lang siguro na sabi ko na ngayon, para sa Diyos itong piligan ito, dito para kahit hindi mo kung para sa mga para sa Diyos at faith ang lahat ng dito naman.
Once again,